Hi, my name is Gaurav and this is Quriosity. Quriosity is a 4K touchscreen whiteboard built for modern meeting spaces to enable visual collaboration, brainstorming, and ideation, thus enhancing meeting effectiveness and achieving better outcomes. Quriosity comes in 4 different sizes: 65, 75, 86, and 98 inches. So you can choose the best size that suits your requirement, and its sophisticated design will transform the look and feel of your meeting room. The integrated touch system allows you to fully operate Quriosity using touch or gestures, so no need of mouse and keyboard that clutters your meeting space. Quriosity has a brilliant 4K display with 450 nits brightness and 178-degree viewing angle, ensuring improved attention and engagement levels. The built-in 15-watt stereo speakers gives superb audio clarity and eliminates the need for adding any external speaker in the meeting room. When it comes to collaboration and sharing ideas, writing is of utmost importance. The advanced ultra-lightweight technology gives users the whiteboard-like writing experience with pixel-perfect precision and real-time writing response with zero lag. In Quriosity, there are multiple ways to share your ideas from personal devices. Through built-in casting feature, the users can wirelessly mirror their mobile or laptops, or even use companion app to share document or any relevant multimedia directly on the display. Quriosity has a wide range of smart tools for brainstorming, ideation, and project discussion that helps you organize the diversified ideas of your team into a meaningful decision. During discussions, there is no need to erase your ideas, as Quriosity comes with built-in storage where you can add multiple pages and they get saved automatically. Most of the time in meetings, we don't write all our ideas on the board, and often there is a chance that we may miss an important actionable later. To solve this, Quriosity helps you record the minutes of meeting in an audio-video format which can be reviewed later and can be shared with everyone. Quriosity allows easy and secure way of sharing whiteboard and meeting notes with your clients and colleagues by simply sharing the global access code or by scanning the QR code and getting the notes directly available on your mobile phone. All your shared documents and whiteboard are securely encrypted using bank-level advanced encryption standard, also known as AES. Quriosity comes with an optional ThinkerView camera that provides a wide-angle view which is suitable for huddle room and small meeting room setup. ThinkerView also comes with a quad beamforming mic array with built-in DSP that does voice and echo cancellation by calculating the direction of arrival of sound from the speaker, which provides the crystal clear audio to the remote participants. Provide your clients with extraordinary service and provide yourself with powerful simplicity. Order Quriosity now and let your ideas flow from your thoughts to the canvas.